Well, it's gonna be a windy day. We are, wait, 20 miles offshore? Not even. Probably 15 miles offshore. We were hoping to go 50, but been a little bit of a rough day.
A little rough.
We got Adam with us.
Pretty good waves.
This is Stephanie. Of course, Mac. And I'm John. Get to some fishing.
Light chop.
Light? Did you say light chop?
A light chop.
It's not a light chop. It's 3 to 5, probably. All right, guys, we're gonna back up a little bit and show you how our day started. We left the marina about 6:30. We got to Skiers Island and Roberts Bay, which is probably about a 10 to 15 minute ride through the no wake zone. It's about 6:45 now, and we are trying to catch some bait. We can see the bait, but you can't see it yet. And we're gonna try to get some mullet, some menhaden, some white bait, or pilchards, whichever one you'd like to call it. We ended up with quite a bit, so we're going to show you how our morning started and take you through the day. Thanks for tuning in.
Maybe. Yeah.
Why can't I catch mullet like this when I try to go inshore fishing? God damn it. It's always too hard or too fast.
Oh, he's trying to get out.
We got close.
That was crazy.
Dude, I've had them hit cooler lids open. Like you hear the thump thump, cooler lid flies open. 8-inch mullet, gone.
You're throwing the grass, pinfish.
Look at that. Just throw it anywhere.
Yeah, just throw it anywhere. They're all under us.
Just get it open. Oh, I whacked him.
That's the grass.
You might need help pulling that one up.
You got a chum for the chummers.
Heavy real quick.
Fish.
Holy kingfish. Nice. Oh, a couple mullet in there too.
Menhaden, that's what I was talking about. These are the menhaden.
Yep.
These are the golf pogies I literally just mentioned.
Pinfish?
Oh,
Fin shit.
Fin, bogey, white bait.
Get the keys against the windshield.
Decisions.
Right?
Nice.
Oh, we can make it rain out there now. Oh, you got stuck. Oh no. Save him. Backflip.
Going back to tell all your snook buddies what just happened.
Don't go up there, you
I can't believe this shit, bro.
You like your spot or your move?
Load it down. Heavy. A lot more ice. A lot of gas. All the gas.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like this when we get back.
No. Well, hopefully it's loaded with fish.
Yeah. Counter the weight.
We got a ton of bait though. Whacked out the live well.
There's a bunch down there. They're just kind of small.
Yeah, we'll move. We don't get. I caught 2 in my first drop. It's a menhaden here.
Yeah.
Big bait's going down. There was a couple big menhaden in there.
I know. That was.
There's
That
a
was
pod
big.
of bait right underneath us. Turn the big motors off. Oh no!
Water like chop. Oh, dog. Oh, dog.
What you got on there?
Really?
You got wire?
No one.
Nah. Let's go down.
Aura.
From there? Yeah, it's
Did that go all the way to the bottom?
Opposites I got one.
That's not lane.
Greg.
Windy. Rodan's working. Doing pretty good though. Mangrove.
Dang. Come on.
All right. All right. What you got?
Hopefully.
Somebody had to come out with that mullet.
That was mullet?
Yeah, I'll cut it in half.
Oh, baby.
Baby. Pass the doji to the left. One side.
Almost 13. Today we're gonna keep it.
67.
You having trouble there, buddy?
I can't get the freaking hook up.
I feel like I'm drunk after today. I didn't even drink anything.
I can't even stand up straight.
You gotta move your foot. Where'd all the ice go?
Other
The
side?
other one.
Why?
Because I was told to put it there.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll just transfer with the fish.
Come on, Steph. Grab this one. Huh?
I don't have any. I don't.
Steph.
That one.
Yep.
There it is.
Oh. You doggy.
And those shovels I threw out for you, buddy.
That's a good one.
It got him excited.
You need some more drag there, man.
It's not a grunt.
Not a grunt.
It's the grunt. Get the grunt net.
Oh, we're cut.
I think
Clean
that was
cut.
Toothy.
Toothed.
Oh.
We're going wire.
Toothy.
So sad. So expected.
Snip. Snip goes the food up.
You on the bottom? Get bit at all? That won't stay on there long.
Wait till he really takes you good. Ever got a Snapchat from a girl? No.
Nope. What's this?
Probably got you.
We gotta get back on our meme game.
Or what?
Our meme game.
Trying. Oh, you still have bait on there. grunt. And grunts down there.
Is that grunty? Where's the big rig grouper?
Is that big mangrove snapper?
Hopefully.
Surprised you didn't.
Weird.
Oh,
Gag.
Got a gag?
Yeah.
Baby. Well, that may be a good sign for this grouper here. Get a 24-inch red to come up.
There's fish.
Oh God!
It's crazy how when you stop, a bunch of stuff will just show up.
Oh jeez! Oh God! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy!
I think they got me.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh! Oh, that was a better one.
Nope.
He thought. Hey, there's a little ripper. Those guys are coming in.
So
Or somewhere they're going.
I try to go like through their lower jaw here.
Oh.
So there's like a little separation. Try to go through there and then you kind of go up between their eyeballs.
They disappeared
I feel
behind
like
the
when I
weight for
do
a
it, I
second.
maybe go too wide and I can like see their gills opening up.
Yeah. You're too far back.
Yeah.
It's alright, they like it bloody too.
What are you doing over there? Did Mac already get one or no?
No, they're robbing me.
Oh. Need some big grouper. Or big mangroves. God, those waves are big. Look at this one.
Fucking hell.
Got smacked. They robbed me
I don't know
too.
if that Rodan's been pushed this hard before. I mean, it's really freaking making.
I'm not allowed to talk about the Rodan.
Yeah, don't talk about the Rodan.
Rule number 1 of Rodan Club:
Don't jinx it.
don't talk about Rodans.
Not ideal. Oh, there's another boat out here. Look at that. Even
Dude, you
smaller.
Yeah, I've been watching
him running in
He's
from out
getting
there.
tossed. Oh.
Oh yeah, he's getting.
Dude, that's like a 20-footer.
Yeah, they
bouncing
went out
just
there.
right.
18
They went
footer.
out there and we're probably like, we need to go home, right? Honey, this is not okay. This boat is way too small. It's like,
All right,
yeah,
let's
you're
move a
probably
little bit
right.
here.
The salesman
now it
said it
looks
had
good.
excellent offshore capabilities. You seen that, guys? It's like how to sell your boat on Marketplace.
Oh,
He's
no.
like, Dad, what should I put in the description? He's like, well, I think fully electronics, fully loaded. Okay, and like, what about the motors and stuff? Right. Meticulously maintained.
I was gonna, but I mean, it looks pretty decent on there. If we can, there might be some mangroves in this mix. There you go.
Real.
Got him.
Rough back. The other one he sent me of the guy on the pier was pretty funny too. Get serious.
Decent lane.
At the end there.
Put him in the boat. Couple of lanes.
There's spine.
Yeah, on the back there is.
Back. Dorsal. Grab by the belly.
Yellowtail.
Where do I grab?
Yellowtail.
Start at the head and slide your hand down so it folds the fins back, and then you can get a good grip on them.
Yeah, just grab him by like.
Take the weight off the line. So put it like around where his eyes are, and then
Like
grab
this?
firmly on his eyes and
Do
slide
like
down.
this?
Yeah.
Just
Don't worry, you can grab plenty of bigger fish than that. So.
Think of it like a porcupine. You
How
can
big's a
only go one
yellowtail
way.
gotta be?
Think about all those times you're picking up porcupines, just like that.
I was what?
Mac, how big's the yellowtail got to be? I want to say they're 10
From the fork, right?
to the 4.
Is this guy right there? Or should I throw him?
No, he's good.
That is a 14 big yellowtail. Fish tacos at John's house tonight?
Maybe not tonight. And probably not tomorrow because it's Leah and I's 26th anniversary.
That's impressive. I can get 26 days. I actually managed to hook one. Snap it, 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 snap it. Oh.
These hooks are really too big for these
Are these
fish.
10? Oh, yeah. Oh, he's a stud. He's 11. He's so big.
What was it?
11-inch lane. Taco. Taco Marine.
Look how I hooked this guy.
Oh my god, live bait. Right back down.
Put him back on the free line.
Well, decent lane. Oh, he's got all our bait in his mouth.
I guess we got a bunch of marks nearby.
Yep. I think we should go over to that 22 grouper spot. Watch your foot.
5-inch gag that we had earlier. Think so? It was definitely not little.
You got him. You don't have to crank him too hard. Just get him up. There's no sharks here
It
yet.
was a small grouper and he went around 2 turns and now he's just. But when he came, I mean, there was 2 seconds where he was out of that rock and it was pretty. It was heavy.
Scoping out.
Heavy head shakes. Could have been a nurse shark. Yeah. I know they
Grouper.
slip their way into caves and crevasses.
My arms are only so long.
There it is.
Can you not eat those right now?
They're too small.
Oh.
They got to be 20 inches.
Oh, I'm ready. That's new.
That's the same thing it did last time. Center red. Well, it's been a struggle. These waves have been kicking our behinds. We've got, I don't know how many, probably got about 10 snapper, lanes, mangs. Adam's caught a couple of gags, too short and out of season. And we've caught, I think the biggest red grouper was 16 inches. So we are anchored now because our trolling motor's been giving us trouble. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna drop a pinfish down.
Oh!
Oh, what? Did you miss something on the big one?
Should have just let it go.
Was it pulling?
Oh, yeah. About 2 seconds.
Oh, pulling drag!
How did you not get that on the top of the chair? Oh! Oh, it's sharpened us. Oh, it's silly. One. Gotta let Ronnie do it before you pull me back.
Look at that. That's as big as Max. About a 16, yeah, 16-inch lane.
We're having tacos.
We're definitely having tacos. Adam just pulled up a 16-inch lane. Nice. Didn't like my pinfish. Even a decent sized one. It's blowed up down there. There. 85 foot of water.
Oof. Don't get me in the ear.
The wave did?
It crashed, bro. I slipped my head down.
We'll see. Squid tricks.
You can almost feel like the one tap where they take it.
Yeah. It don't take much for these little guys.
No.
I think our hooks are too big. Ow. So you gotta change that. Take that damn swivel off.
Something's gotta happen here. This ain't working.
Oh boy. I got another one of these, Mac, if you want
You got something?
to. Squid tricks.
Squid tracks?
Yep. Feels like a grouper. Had to have it.
Should I let it go?
Is it rocked again? Is that a sharky thing?
No. Either bait.
Should I let it?
No. It's under the boat. Think that's Bruce?
No.
That's Bruce.
The biggest shark landed on a fork bank. You can get him up.
You sure you want that fish?
Sure.
He starts.
Getting anywhere?
Yes, I am, John. But now I'm really tired. I got there, and now I'm really tired.
You want me to switch?
Yeah.
Huh?
Looks like he's about 45 feet down.
He was 20 at one point.
I think that was another fish. He was never 20 feet away.
You take over?
I got a good shot here. I can do this and not put any pressure on my back.
That's the big thing, the back.
Yeah, my back started cooked. But this way, at least.
You guys are barely even to the damn green line.
Hey, Jack, come on. Relax, Jack.
Do they dance south?
I have to try a little bit of this. I'll let you know. But I'm not even.
Oh,
I don't think I'm gaining as much as I think I am.
Hey, relax, Jack. He danced in South Park. He's like British for some reason.
You can feel
You know,
it.
you sounded like the kid Dexter.
Sound like Dexter.
Yeah. I never really watched that.
Leah's watched it twice.
Dexter? Oh
Yeah.
no, I mean the
Dexter's
cartoon.
Laboratory.
Oh no.
But yeah, no, we did watch
Different
Dexter. We never
Different
finished
Dexter.
The actual
Also a
Dexter.
scientist, also named Dexter.
The first thing was he kind of like bad, wasn't he? Like a evil scientist.
Not evil.
I think we've been with this thing for like 45 minutes.
I'm trying to break this rod.
Well, don't break the rod.
Mag, if you let out a bunch of slack, I can tie a braid to tie a braid to braid in less than 30 seconds. I might cut my fingers off in the process, but
Please don't.
could do a bigger rod.
It doesn't sound like a good idea.
Don't do that.
No good story ever started with, and there it was.
There I was,
You can tell it.
putting a greenie on the bottom.
Next thing I know. See that, guys? That's me. You're probably wondering how I got it.
See how you can feel it?
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. Ben Stiller, you want one of my favorite? Go, Robert. We love you, Robert. Go.
I'm gonna put all the juice to it.
Yep, to 45 now.
Too far, got dog.
They're gonna break or you're coming up, buddy. It's gotta be hooked in his fin or something. How is this not broken yet? I mean, I've got it locked.
Great test.
It's 40 pounds. Thank God.
There it is. No damage.
Hold the hook.
No. Broke way up.
Awesome. Also, yeah, broke at 45 and he went right back down.
Wow. Look at that.
It didn't even break anywhere near it. It broke up top. That was only 10 foot from the boat. I don't think that was coming to the boat, Adam. 3 hours from now, maybe.
There we go. That's the shark. Damn it. Shark came back for it.
Shark?
We don't know, he just got railroaded.
No, the little fish ripped all the butterfly sections off. Now it's just literally just his heads.
Now you got the right pole to get the shark up.
Yeah.
It's the same one. Get the rig back too. Plus he's all tired. He's all tired and looked down. Now he's got a real
it,
rod
not
pulled
again.
on him. He's like, I thought I was winning. What is this?
I thought I got away.
What is this new technology that they have employed? I can no longer pull against it. This is bullshit. Does this rod have a load here?
No.
No.
Okay. Well, you want to see what you bought?
Yeah.
He's on the thread on a better rod. No, you already got him up. Let's have time.
You get it up?
Yeah, he was so He was so tired. He literally, I literally reeled him straight up. Zero fight.
Is it a nurse?
No. Yeah, that's a nurse shark. Big nurse shark.
That's why it didn't break.
Wow, that's a big nurse shark.
Holy guacamole.
That thing's huge.
Yeah. Fine, I'll go back down.
Probably gonna have to cut it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we were fighting for 30 minutes. When I tell you he didn't even try to fight me just now.
Steph, can you give me one of those?
You got a tail rope we can hit him with?
No,
What are you
a knife. I'm just gonna cut it because then
Watch that weight. We don't want to pull a homeboy.
Let the
Let's think of a smarter. Let's think of.
let some line out.
Okay.
Get the pole away from. You need a line.
Yeah.
That is a
Heifer.
biggest nurse
I've never
shark.
seen a nurse shark that big in my life.
That thing's
I've
huge.
caught a couple of the keys that were about a third that size.
Well, now we know what it was. Should have broke that off earlier. Woo!
Oh my God! What?
These hooks are too small, dude.
They are pretty small. I have a bigger squid
one-
tracks.
That one got the good hook.
You gotta go be right on the bottom though.
Oh gosh. That was the monster head. Are you joking?
Think you got me. Nope. Nope.
Man.
Came back for it. What'd you have on there?
One Dean head or one thready head, one squid. It's not big.
Lane.
Right about to get
There is a.
about to get jiggy with it.
You keep missing it?
They hit it as you are getting done with your first bounce, and then you're not.
Yeah, I was afraid of that.
That is.
Is that trolley?
Yep.
Not happy?
Nope.
The bullet.
No. Got all the bolts. Gets too far away.
If he loses his 15 feet perimeter. That one committed to it.
Absolute monster.
Yeah.
It
What
was
happened? You saw it?
No, I jigged it, rod back down, and hit it as I'm going back down for the next jig, and it felt like
It stopped.
school bus.
Stopped and abruptly went the other way.
He caught it at the perfect time.
I mean, I can try to hold you over with the motors. Trolling motor needs some work. Who was it that said something about the trolling motor hasn't given us any problems in a while?
I think it was
Actually,
the waves that gave us.
I'm not taking responsibility for mechanical failures. I'm not superstitious enough
All right.
to believe.
See a grouper on the sonar right now, and he's about to get up.
You got the jig?
I was shocked at how fast this thing got. I never. That's just it's just insanity. Think on.
Yeah, that didn't take long.
I think Rodin's done for the day.
Yeah. Well, how's the Optimus do on that?
You don't want
Not
that.
in this. Can't do that in this cart. In this condition.
You do not want that. Damn, it didn't take long to go 400 feet, did it?
Nope. Gotta get your rod ready. I mean, we're not showing really anything, but doesn't mean anything. That'll be all right. We should drift right over.
Got bug.
That's a lot on that
They like that jig, huh?
They love it.
Does it look like a freaking...
It looks just like a
pinfish.
like something. Really, just looks like a generic bait fish.
I think it's the action. They're just flopping around.
Dude, it turns, it does that swim perfectly, that back and forth. It's a trolling lure too. You can troll it at like 30 miles an hour.
Got color. Oh, big old grouper. Should be able to both flip them. That's a good one. Good call, Adam.
Sometimes you gotta bust the arty out.
Just as big as the other one, isn't he? Not bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah, I thought the same. 22 to 24.
22.
What I said.
That's a keeper, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
What is it exactly 22 to keep?
20.
20.
All right, so we are way away from it again, Max. Are you up? Okay. You can go ahead and bait up, but we're gonna try to get back over there again.
Yeah, this is gonna be the jig game if we're gonna drift.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There's a squid trick somewhere.
That squid strikes got hammered by an absolute giant.
Oh man.
Chill, jig lines. There now. Oh! How did you miss
There you go. Get him.
Oh,
Mac, you should be getting bit.
I know. It's fluttering right over the bottom.
You got a good fish on there.
They're all intimidated by the size and set. Oh, crap.
Oh! Alright, I exaggerated.
Go, Steph.
Good one.
Get him in a boat. Go, doggy.
Good one.
Solo landing. Yeah. On the 4K. Yeah.
You're sweating your eye, probably.
Mine
job,
was
Steph.
all of the above hair,
Sorry for yelling real.
scales. No, I know, but it feels like you're saying it because I'm not already.
I know.
I'm gonna have to ice my arm tonight.
Here, come try this one back. You gotta feel how
You gotta feel the abrupt
it feels
stoppage.
so good in the water. It feels so good. I've never seen it before, but pretty good.
I give it a shot. Oh, it catches the fish on every cast.
It's drop.
Even better.
Oh, wait. Let's hold them all the same
Like
way.
that?
Might need to switch in. I might need to switch in. Okay. Put this in the end of the blooper reel.
Ow.
Bloopers.
Switch.
You feel its things, like you're feeling.
Set him down.
I know, but I can already feel them scraping me, so like I must have done something wrong. Something went wrong along the way.
Well, we made it back to the marina. We actually had a pretty good day, even though it was a very challenging day. We ended up with 3 grouper, 17 lanes, 6 mangrove snapper, and 1 yellowtail. Appreciate you tuning in. Now let's get to some cleaning.
Not a bad catch for the day. Fatty. This one was a fatty too. It's about as big as that mang. I think these the reds this size are pretty darn tasty.
Yeah, it's a good size. They shouldn't have a lot of worms in them, hopefully.
That depth though, you never know.
Right.
Mac was saying these guys tend to have some worms in them. Chunk little nugget. A little birdie friend's waiting for some food.
Half bill?
A little half bill. Somebody's screaming over there. Bloody murder. I don't think they're supposed to be going that fast. Isn't this a no wake zone?
We'll grab it. When you're glad you're both already out of the water.
Yep.
I'm not tied to that dock.
I mean, the jet ski's not going to do a ton, but still, have some respect.
Right. There you go, half bill.
Get him something?
The fucking damn dog.
Oh, we need a discard cart.
I just went back into the big bucket.
Yeah, but that gets messy.
Yeah, we got another barrel.
Yeah, there's plenty over there. Oh, you like that piece? That good, buddy? Outline them. I hear you, buddy. Cracks his little bill, so you don't forget him.
Yeah, good. Yeah, just
Think? Are you gonna save these for the crab traps?
Probably not. Then we're gonna stick with fish feet. They would be good for it.
What's that?
Although they would be good for it, but I'm not going until Friday, and I don't have anywhere to put them.
I do not either.
My freezers are full of popsicles and ice cream.
She probably wouldn't want fish carcasses and mixed in with those.
Nah. At least you did get to enjoy a relaxing day today, so that's good.
Without you?
Well, we just got so much done yesterday, so you feel like what you had to do everything all at once.
Yeah, Leo cleaned all day yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Well, to go to the Georgia game. And then after the Georgia game, I just went to Publix, got a sub, played some Phase 10.
What's that?
What the fuck, man? He was gonna go to the jump zone. Take lunch and stay home and play cards. Okay.
Phase 10 is a card game?
It's like rummy.
Oh,
Run a 3, set of 4,
pick that up for a sec.
bullshit like that. 2 sets of 4, run a 9.
Debating whether to make some fish dip or not. Probably could. Maybe 3
You want to
group.
differentiate yellowtail?
Nah. Pretty much any snapper, by the time you cut it, they're all pretty much the same.
Yes.
Although that yellowtail could be a little mushy.
Yeah, that's super soft.
Did you already do the big ones?
I just been grabbing one and go. Oh, they all gotta go.
Yeah.
You know how bad. Oh, it's just not like catching a bone. Especially the small ones and the water snappers. Deters her from eating fish. There's a bone in every one of them.
There is.
I know. Just control your swallowing. If you bite into
Chew.
something hard, don't swallow.
I think we filled them up, Mac.
You go.
He gone.
Yeah, he just stuck around over here and look.
Oh,
He's just hiding in the shade,
is he over there?
hurting his eyes.
He was in the shade over here.
Yeah, literally standing in the shade behind his palm.
Still hungry, buddy? He's still hungry. Getting to the end. A couple of these big ones sank to the bottom. Look at the size of his lane. That's a big one compared to the other ones we've been cutting up. That's why you got to bleed your fish. You see that? And that's why you bleed your fish. Let's see if there's any catfishies.
Ooh. Snap, grand, ecstasy.
There wasn't last week.
Solid. Ooh, look at that big blue. Ooh, 40 inch, 30 inch snook.
That's a big blue crab.
See that snook?
No.
Going in the light right now.
Oh, Jesus.
He's trying to eat that blue crab, dude. Oh, please eat it, dude. That would be the cool.
That is a huge
That
snook.
would be sick to watch that.
He's gonna come to the end of the dock. I bet. That's a huge blue crab. You ready?
Where are the kitties?
Oh, they're here today.
Brother.
Dude, so the key is to walk down with the cart. Because I dropped them last weekend. There was nothing. Try that
Just in a bucket?
snook. Yeah, just in a bucket. We only had 5 fish.
It's like the dinner bell. Above their heads.
Gone.
Thank you for tuning in. We had a blast out there today. We shared some great memories, caught a bunch of fish. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.